Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on replacing the battery in your Conga Eternal Max vacuum. Let's get started with the tools you'll need. 1. Screwdriver set. A precision screwdriver set is essential. Look for a set that includes Phillips and flathead screwdrivers. 2. Tweezers. These will help you handle small screws and connectors without losing them. 3. Microfiber cloth, for cleaning the internal components during the process. 4. A new battery. Ensure you have a compatible replacement battery for your Conga Eternal Max. Step 1. Safety first. Before starting, make sure your vacuum is turned off and unplugged. Safety is paramount when working with electronics. Step 2. Accessing the battery compartment. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws holding the battery compartment cover. Typically, there are 4 screws on the back of the unit. Keep these screws in a safe place, you'll need them later. Step 3. Remove the old battery. Once the cover is off, gently pull out the old battery. Be cautious of any connectors attached to it. If they seem stuck, use your tweezers to carefully disconnect them. If you're unsure about doing this yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you get expert help if needed. Step 4. Clean the interior. Before inserting the new battery, take a moment to clean the interior of the compartment with your microfiber cloth. Dust and debris can affect the performance of your vacuum. Ensure everything is clear and tidy for optimal operation. Step 5. Insert the new battery. Take your new battery and align it with the connectors in the battery compartment. Gently push it into place until it clicks. If you don't have the tools or confidence for this task, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. It's convenient and hassle-free. Step 6. Reattach the cover. Once the new battery is in place, align the battery compartment cover and replace the screws. Be careful not to over-tighten them, as this can damage the plastic. Step 7. Testing the vacuum. After securing everything, plug your vacuum back in and turn it on. Check to see if it's functioning properly. If it doesn't, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. We can help diagnose any issues. Step 8. Final cleanup. Dispose of the old battery properly. Many local recycling centers accept batteries. Keeping the environment safe is important. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the battery in your Conga Eternal Max vacuum. If at any point you feel uncertain, remember that we provide no calls, no travel service, making it easy for you to get the help you need without the hassle. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your revitalized vacuum. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.